Bethany from Round Rock, Texas just moved, and she moved her renter's insurance policy with her, which led to this question. Does renter's insurance cover moving damage? It's a great question, Bethany, and you're not the only one who's wondered that, so let's find out. To find out if renter's insurance covers moving damage, you'll need to look at your policy and terms. In your policy, you'll find that renter's insurance covers a specific list of named perils. This means that for personal property like your furniture, your renter's insurance policy covers you against risks named specifically in your policy. These named perils include fire, vandalism, theft, smoke damage, and water damage, to name just a few. It sounds like you're talking about a situation where the movers themselves actually damaged your furniture. In this instance, movers and the damage that they cause are not a covered peril. So the answer is likely no, you wouldn't have coverage. But you're not out of luck yet. Just because your renter's insurance policy does not cover moving damage from the movers themselves doesn't mean you're on the hook to replace the property they damaged. You do have options. Let's assume that you used actual movers, not just a few buddies that you had hanging out with you at the bar. While the regulations may vary based on your location and the type of company that you're working with, there generally is coverage should the movers damage your personal property, because the movers are what's called insured or bonded. Those together mean that they're covered for the damage to your stuff or from stealing your stuff. If your movers are insured, as they should be, their policy will likely contain some provisions for what happens in the event that they damage your property. The specific coverage limits and types of covered losses are sometimes limited, but it's worth calling the moving company and looking into it. Want to find out more about how a renter's insurance policy works and when you can file a claim, even when it's damaged by somebody else? Stay tuned for more in our series of Insurance Answers for Renters, and feel free to submit your insurance question to Effective Coverage. Don't forget that you can get renter's insurance at effectivecoverage.com or by giving us a call and speaking with one of our insurance experts. Thank you for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.